welcome back to Travels of a Single Lady. I hope you enjoyed the last episode of my journey on P&O Britannia. Welcome back to this episode, and this one is going to be a full room tour of my solo balcony cabin, which was brilliant for the week away. And there's a few little bits of the sea day and the captain's gala party in this one. So let's jump straight in, and I hope you enjoy it. Time for a room tour. So this is my cabin, L241. It's a solo cabin with a balcony. So as you walk through the door, you're greeted by it's like a little hallway as such. So as you come down here, you've got a full-length mirror, which would be good to check out the outfits on casual night, formal night even, not casual. Okay, and then as you turn around, this side you have immediately got the bathroom door. So it's quite a big bathroom. And you've got wardrobes. Single bed, perfectly sufficient for what I need. Somewhere to stick my head for the night. You've got some artwork on the wall. Then you've got a desk here, which has got a little mirror, phone, lots of bits and pieces of stuff that I've already pre-booked. So I've got this one which has my drinks card in it. I have this one which is all about my onboard Wi-Fi. And then I've got this one which is about eating. So I'm on second sitting, which is at 8:45 in the Oriental restaurant. And because I do have special dietary requirements as well, I am gluten intolerant. I have an invite to a coffee and chat with the chefs tomorrow morning and the food and beverage department, and a little bit of more information about special dietary requirements. So, and then in here, I've got all the information about all ports that I'll be visiting. So, Stavanger, Flom, Oldham, and Bergen. This is the breakfast card, so I like having my breakfast delivered to my cabin. I will need to double check when I go for the coffee morning tomorrow morning about gluten-free. It's never been an issue before. Over here you've got, so I've got 2 free bottles of water, got coffee cup, glass, milks, tea, coffee. There's also biscuits. Unfortunately I can't eat biscuits, so they'll be coming back with me for Dad. Then in this one down here there's a Bible in here, but also I have the mini fridge. There's a massive TV in here actually. I wasn't expecting the TV to be quite as big as that. It's really good. I've watched the safety video. And out here is the balcony. So take a step out. Got 2 chairs. Not really sure that both of them will get used. And then this is the view off the balcony at the moment. So that's the bridge there, that one there. That's where the captain and the people who are captaining, driving the boat, sailing the boat go. Single balcony tour. It's a really, really nice cabin. It's not huge, but it'll do for what I want it for. I'm not going to be in here for very long. I'm going to be in here to sleep, let's be honest. So for my first experience of a single balcony, it is looking good. It is now Monday the 3rd of September. Yeah, 3rd of September. Today is a sea day. Was up quite early. We've jumped an hour ahead at the moment. So it's now 10 o'clock. I've just been for a coffee and a chat with the with the crew about dietary requirements. I love that P&O do that. It's really, really helpful. You can go in and ask all your questions. So I like having food delivered to my cabin for breakfast, so I can have a nice early breakfast. And obviously I get the menus the night before for the next day, so I can pre-order all of my food. They make everything specially, and a specially designed kitchen. It's really, really good. That's the one thing I can't fault P&O on, to be honest. So I can eat from any of the outlets on the ship, and it will all be cooked in a special kitchen. And then I can have it delivered anywhere as well. So I asked the question about the Lido grill, which is like, it's a bit like McDonald's. There's burgers, hot dogs, chicken, things like that. And they said, yeah, that's not a problem, but don't get it from the grill because of cross-contamination. If you want it, let us know. And in the Horizon restaurant, which is the buffet, they'll make it and bring it specially up for me, which is great. So I also asked the question, I've got a cookery class on Wednesday afternoon, so I've asked the question and they're going to pass on all the information. He said that I'll more than likely get my own cooking station, but we'll see how it goes. It's been really good so far, so I probably won't take you too far with me today. I need to get my own bearings on the ship. I figured out deck 16, I know where the restaurant is, the buffet and my evening restaurant. I'm going to go and have a wander around. The shops are all open now, so I'm going to go and find my own way around the ship, because I can't spend a week living on just deck 16. But for now, I will show you briefly outside. It is a beautiful, this balcony door is, here we go. It is a beautiful day. It's really hot. I'm not needing layers just yet, but here we go. Stunning weather. It is formal night tonight. It's black tie, but it's not black and white night.
To formally present the Master of Britannia. So ladies and gentlemen, a cheer and a round of applause for Captain Paul Brown.
Thank you, Neil, and good evening. Good evening, and nice to finally and formally catch up with you all and say welcome on board. Anyway, looking ahead, the weather. Oh, it goes quiet. It almost goes quiet when the captain mentions weather. Anyway, a wonderful itinerary. I'm never quite sure where we're going. I'll be getting up at midnight to bring the ship into port. No, I mean midnight. But listen, you won't miss a thing, because I'll be making broadcasts through your cabins, about the waterfalls and the lovely mountains, and if you see a whale, it's almost like being there. I am aware that this cruise, there are 1,957 newcomers on board. That's either newcomers to cruising or newcomers to P&O. So where are the newcomers in the atrium? Hello there, thank you for choosing P&O Cruises. Mind you, that does leave 1,700 regulars. Where are the regulars? Yes, they may be diminished in number, but they're still usually more boisterous. Not least because they've worked out how to get 2 drinks at the start of the party. Well, in your case, Madam 3, well done down there, well done. Now, I always say to the newcomers on board, if you want to know what's happening on board the ship, do hang out in all of the laundrettes, because that's where all the rumours and the stories start to circulate. Who's with who's on and who's off. What we're going to do instead is bring up to the balcony and please a big round of applause for the Britannia management team. tell you that yesterday in Southampton, Britannia loaded over 200 tonnes of food and beverage for this cruise. Yeah. I also have to say that I passed through the buffet this morning and saw quite a number of you seem determined to go through the entire amount yourselves. So ladies and gentlemen, the cruise is what you make of it. Sit back, relax and thoroughly enjoy your time with us. Of course, finally tonight is the Captain's Gala Welcome on Board dinner. I've had a hell of a day cooking it for you all, so I hope you thoroughly enjoy your dinner and enjoy your cruise with us. Thanks very much, thank you.
Hey everyone, me again. Thanks for watching today. I'm actually filming this on the 12th of December. It's really dark, really cold and really miserable weather outside, so I'm really sorry that I look really tired in these intros and outros. But thank you for watching, coming back and watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video and you've enjoyed having a look around what a solo balcony looks like. It was the first time I'd experienced one and I really enjoyed it. There wasn't enough space, I will admit that, once I actually unpacked all of my luggage. And also the wardrobes weren't long enough for full-length gowns. I will add that little piece of extra info at the end there. But it was a really nice balcony, and I really enjoyed the Captain's Gala party as well. Come back next time as we will be in Stavanger for the next one in 2 weeks' time. I upload every other Sunday and I look forward to seeing you then. And if you've enjoyed this video, like it, comment, subscribe and click the notification bell and keep coming back for more. I hope to see you again soon. Bye guys.